Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're traveling west on I-94 in North Dakota, beginning at mile marker 320 in Cass County. Cass County is the most populous county in North Dakota with an estimated population of 181,516 as of 2018, an increase of almost 32,000 since the 2010 census. This population accounts for 23% of the population of the entire state. The county was named for railroad executive George Washington Cass, president of the Northern Pacific Railway from 1872 to 1875. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out, and hit the like button if you enjoy our videos. Up until this point since West Fargo, I-94 has traveled along the 37th section line, which is 37 miles south of the horizontal center of the state. Here we make a 45-degree turn and the route shifts north 3 miles to the 34th section line. If you look at a map of North Dakota, you can see a pattern of squares as section lines are public right-of-way and there are visible roads that run along most of these section lines. The section lines are numbered outward from the geographic center of the state, the intersection of Center and Main, roughly 31 miles north of Bismarck. Here we cross through the southwestern corner of Tower City, which lies in both Cass and Barnes County. The city was named for Charlemagne Tower, a railroad official who owned property here. Tower City had an estimated population of 260 in 2018. We're now in Barnes County, which had an estimated population of 10,542 as of 2018. The county was originally named Burbank County in 1872 and then renamed Barnes County in 1874 for Alanson H. Barnes, an Associate Justice of the Territorial Court. The population of Barnes County has slowly declined each decade from a peak of almost 19,000 people in the census of 1930. We stopped here at this rest area for a quick break. The rest area is placed in the center median of the interstate so it can be accessed from both directions with only one facility. As you can see, the rest area is staffed and garbage is being removed. We didn't clean the windshield here as we hadn't had the opportunity to buy glass cleaner yet on this trip. Prior to entering North Dakota, the windshield had remained pretty clean, but there are a lot of bugs here and it's starting to get dirty. We'll make a stop in Valley City in the next video to take care of that problem. We conclude today's video here at mile marker 296. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you liked this video, please post a comment, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.